Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, let's look at how to tell if your manual breast pump is positioned correctly. A properly positioned breast shield should fit comfortably over the nipple without causing pain. When pumping begins, you should feel a gentle pulling sensation rather than discomfort. If pumping feels painful, stop and reposition the breast shield before continuing. You may also notice that milk begins to flow gradually after a few gentle squeezes. Keeping the pump centered and maintaining a comfortable position can help create a smoother pumping session. Remember that every parent is different. What feels comfortable for one person may be slightly different for another. Take your time to find a position that works well for you. If you continue experiencing discomfort or have concerns about pump fit, consider speaking with a certified lactation consultant or healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Comfort is one of the most important parts of successful pumping. Thank you for watching, and follow for more breastfeeding and breast pump tips.